All right, here we are, Matthew Russell Lee, Inner City Press, here in Foley Square, today, Monday, September 16th, 2024. Now, we usually start with the national politics / Trump docket, but today, it's local politics. Look across the street. Look at 26 Federal Plaza. Today, there's going to be some action regarding, there's been already arrests, 2 FDNY, Bureau of Fire Protection, former big shots, Anthony Saccavino and Brian Cordasco. Now, we've reported on the corruption at the Turkish mission to the United Nations, actually UN corruption writ large, but among the many issues with the fire department's permitting system was money given to the city administration by Turkey and Turkish affiliates, and suddenly an expedited review of the Turkish mission on First Avenue, right across from the UN. These events of today happen just as the new UN General Assembly sets up. And what it shows you is the interlinking corruption. And there's much corruption at the UN. We'll do that at the end. So today we're going to be on that, and that's going to impact some other things. There's also, on the Trump docket, one of the more interesting things is not a Trump, but a Jill Stein emergency appeal to the Supreme Court to try to get back on the ballot in Nevada. Of course, that would have some impact on voters there. We'll see how many. Jay Sekulow is the lawyer, I'm told. But AOC, as some may know, has been hammer and nail saying Jill Stein is a spoiler and has no this and that. We covered AOC's Friday Bronx sit down with Lena Khan of the FTC. What's the connection? Well, behind me, down the street, down Pearl Street, there in the tall building, is the ongoing antitrust hearing in which the FTC is seeking to enjoin the accessible luxury handbag merger between Tapestry and Capri. That would be Kate Spade, Coach, and Michael Kors. We expect to have some Michael Kors business today, even alongside the UN corruption stuff. So these are all the things that are going on. There's obviously other criminal cases that we'll be covering, but I want to return now to UN corruption because this General Assembly week is happening. We've applied to enter. We have reported on more UN corruption than any reporters inside there. We've gotten there, there's legal impunity, but some have still nonetheless been arrested. But we've applied to cover this one, and there's been no response. We had Quinn Emanuel and Dwayne Morris, 2 law firms, write in, and no response by Melissa Fleming, a U.S. official. So we're going to continue to pursue. Inner City Press, to be continued.